So I feel so sad that a young girl of 19 years was annihilated and wiped out from the surface of this earth yesterday in Nsukka in a very disturbing manner. And I feel more pain that the narrative being painted does not represent the fact of the circumstances that led to the demise of this girl. And I have fear. And I am disturbed more that she may likely not get justice in this particular situation. And no girl, no human being deserves to pass on in this manner. Now, a lot of people have been writing, trying to condemn this girl because of the narrative that was actually painted or that is being painted about the circumstances that led to the demise of this girl. When the news came up that certain lady was actually unalive in Nsukka, I made an inquiry. I didn't want to go into it because I didn't know the personality that was involved until her picture surfaced and the alleged person that actually stiff life out of this girl. And I remember that last week or thereabout, a rumor came up, a news came up that this particular girl was missing, and anybody with reliable information about her whereabouts should report to the nearest police station or contact a certain number. My friend on Facebook, a follower of my page, Droba, who was posting repeatedly, posted about this situation, and we reached out, we talked. And at the end of the day, he reported that, yes, the girl has been found and has reunited with the family. Now, what was the reason of this girl running away from where she was staying? Was because she was facing sexual harassment from this man. And at some point, the lady said, no, I can't continue living like this. She ran away, and this man started trying to do everything humanly possible, doing everything humanly possible to go to get this girl back to his house. How did the girl come to stay with this man? The information has it that this man who finally unalived this girl had almost about 5 wives, and all of them have gone. And the sister to this man said, okay, Ulama, go and stay with your, that should be your uncle. Stay with him since he has no other woman. But the story keep coming that this man was making advances and harassing this girl. And this girl said, I can't continue to do this thing with you. And ran away. This man continued to follow her. Now, listen to the video. Listen to this particular video. This is the video where the girl was explaining how this man was threatening her, saying that he must continue to stay with the girl. Otherwise, he's going to buy the girl. Whether the girl likes it or not, the girl must return back to him. And at the end of the day, this man carried through his threat. And yesterday, he got information that this particular girl was at certain pharmacy shop receiving treatment, which was alleged or rumored to probably have been something relating to what they were doing. And this man now walks into that place and they finally buy this girl. And people have been trying to, create different narratives as if they don't know who this man is. This is a man. We all know his story. But yet, they handed a gun to him and made him a CSO of Igbo community. What do you expect? Now this particular girl is going to go without justice. You know why? This kind of matter will always be, swept under the carpet, because who is going to follow it up? The people who are supposed to follow this matter up to see that this girl gets justice will not do it because of the relationship involved. Because of the relationship involved, and eventually a star has been outshined from the surface of the earth. Nobody deserves this kind of treatment. No human being deserves to go through these means. It is unfair, and it is high time our government began to do what? To protect our girls. Our girls are going through so many things in the hands of people. But because of the circumstances we have found ourselves, everybody will always blame them. Nobody would want to listen to the actual reason of what actually transpired. But let me be honest with you, we have facts about all these things. This is exactly what happened to Oloma. And that is how Oloma ended her journey on this earth. Too painful.
Pushirike, makana DPO de ka hold this thing.
Tie ba Simon ayala. Na kaka mam jala ban. Ya gbagba mam.
Pushirike, na ka mi yemegin.
Moja laban gwe opindo pitch anyo chisne ma yare ya newa. Ni agbagba mam babu mu ne.
Ogbagbo mu ne gi.
Ne mam.
Good.
Ijer
Boshabu igbaliri. Istri brother gini bia na nke mbe gote ogwu. Obi igwara. O mar ni igbagako. Ya m na since gini ano ni iche mag ke gini anoro. Mana na force ga force. Okay, when be like now? Ichere labun. When be like ngbe igbagara? Uda bubu onye. Enugu State. When ban she who go now we she data like this. When be she who gata anoye hu. Be meka wangu. Be meka onye. Be she who gata. O mar ni ugatara. Nis na iga agbagoji ijeko wen. Ichere labun. Onwere ọzọ m kwesịrị ijikwa gị. Maka na m na-ekwu n'ihe a na ndị nọchi ebe a. Onwere ejikọrọ m na gị? Okay. Ugwu ego lebunu ji m na shop. 31,000 something. Gedi anyị ji eme this thing.
ihe a ji eme ọsha bụ because na police got me involved in here. Megan was involved. But I'm jiri ja e wofte se ka kedu uduru ede like this. Niem na na akawa na go travel to the police station.
With you?
Yeah now.
With you?
Mbi jekole kasla.
Makos ni ala tani aga hu mi ejere ban. Na iye ma kule ban.
Okay, igbakọ nkịta bụ na ọnọg. Iwe shiwe nu gbafta. Nazi fence. Iwuru fence ka iwudugu fence. Iwuru fence. Okay, mana ọsụ na. Okay, ọ kpọchiri gị ụzọ wee faa.
Look. Help. Were machine vuri onye to police station. Because niyo kwuru bụ no ojejeja no shituku ime. Abuga bi unu koko.
Abakọkọ na kojima. Ọ nakata ọsụ na ya na-echi m obi na anyị.
Ma chukwu emene ga ama. Ihe m na-ekwu bụ ọsọ. Na achọ m ka o si nwa be mfọ.
Achọ m ka o si.
Your father's house? Where? Enugu State. Oh, that night, April. Did you go to this woman's house at all? Okay, alright. What can you show there?
Oh, yesterday. I came here yesterday, the day before yesterday. I meet the DPO, culture DPO, everything. DPO smoking and survival. We call the man. We say, Ocho Kabian and Kim Kabian made the searching. Because no one was the need for that. Even my brother Muni asked me the other day, I will put my brother Poppy again on no one was the need for that. I said, I think I show the girl or say yes. So I go to DP Asimona, no any disturbance from him again. I should come and let him know. Okay, this morning, now I forgot this girl yesterday evening. So when I joined the mother said, "Are you serious?" I was very, very happy. So they mean there was some the news was circulating within that their house. Come on, the girl now go some na. So, but this man na my shop did the distance had draw that much. So we won't know that image and family. So my brother I take Ojo family this afternoon. But some news on a football. Kamadu na fence we jump or down we. We na your group this day.
Fence nkole.
Fence nke, corona fence nke puru.
Fence after our house.
Fence after their house.
Fence after your house.
Yes.
You jump enter, you jump down.
I enter and I jump out.
Give me
Owebone, that man That is a brother.
Yes.
Jerry, weje nabeha weje kona pi ada yesterday. Omo nya ko la tare ko bo show.
This ceremony.
Oh, me the yesterday was na mama.
Yesterday no bia.
Oh.
Other Nabun.
Yes. He was
You
they even drink with my uncle.
Nabun.
Yes. Now said thank God. He was the one that even returned my bag. He was happy now left. They said that this morning you will return my phone by 9. So this morning I was washing plates. Now I was not hearing noise. I came out, he was home. And now time to go and that bike that we are going to. I don't think but my mom is not around because you know that my mom used to go out and nobody was at home. Even my mom, none of them is around. So he now took me and came to and called my mom. He now put his hand on my neck and started telling me that I should tell my mom that I'm the one that used my hand and come back to Obi. That later will come and carry me back. But I tell him that I don't want to stay there again. Even my mom said that nobody asked me to. But I wasn't staying there before. I was staying at my auntie's house. He now came there and picked me.
How do you later with him?
His mother and my mom.
His father and mother. His mother and her mom.
Kedu isiri anyị nọọsụ n'oji emedu ma ọ bụrụ na iju na ya chigazi n'ebe?
Here a full information of late Miss Uloma Ugwai or Onyuda Nenwezike. Nwa Mr. Ezenwa Ugwai and Bene Ugwai. Ha bụ ndị ụmụ Asekerenyi Enuda community in Enugu State. This particular girl, Uloma, honor with this man since age of 14 years. And from that 14 years, this man, have been molesting this little girl. And nobody knows about it. But her immediate family knows about it. How can your family know that onye with have been raping her, causing her a lot of things? She has been in trauma over the years. Because the man is a dictator, the man is he's in India, a half year with the girl. Till this stage, the girl grew up with a mind in order to escape. Omeze escape. Obuze no police with the worst thing that ever happened to this girl. The police, after the girl may escape, jump fence in order to live her life because the man have already threatened to kill her. OJ police station, what police could do is to invite the man, not even to arrest him. In a case of Onye defiled somebody, molested her, you don't know the trauma this guy have passed through. Police only invited the man. Ekucheroku, Ejeporo the girl. Okay, make cleanse and the rest. You turn the girl back to the man. The man continued where he stopped. So bringing the issue of a DPO was a kind of that DPO was giving a help to the little girl. Not even that they are dating. The girl ain't do chance of going outside the house. Talk less of dating any other person. The girl is only the man herself come out as working since she grew up. And this man, according to many people, not committed a lot of atrocities, no pedia. So today I will try to interview one of their family members in Oda because he have a very big slap to the face. How can a girl escape severally? Jenny reports how the man threatened to kill her. Akahafu police akahafia, and at the end of the day, the man be abused in a public place. I wonder the kind of pharmacy that shop is. So nobody's around there. The man, who got the man information? How the man know that the girl is there? Banye there and kill an innocent poor girl. The people of Igbo North, this is a time to speak up. This is a time to take action. Remember, our sister was killed in Anambra State by a ritualist. and Mrs. Ngozi. Everybody expected a fight to the nail. The people are fighting it are individuals. So let's join hands together.
Igbo ba anyị mmanụ nke echi ya zelu ọka Maazị Ezeaku ọzọ Igbo ndụ 1 so otu onye gbara eziokwu ọtọ n'ala Igbo ọ na-akpọtụ na-afịọ ma mkpochiri n'eziokwu eziokwu a na-emerikwanụ and we are winning. Okay, nya anọ m Owerri since 1 week ago wee gbalịkata n'ime Owerri nya wherefore here His Excellency Owerri Rochas Okorcha mere Imo State mgbe ọ na-achọ ọchịchị. The thing wee gbaa m n'obi wee tie post wee sị na Rochas Owerri bụ the best governor ndị Igbo nwego so far in the history of Igbo land. Ndị mmadụ comment wee karịa ma ndị kpọwara na phone bana sị m gịnị ịma na ihe m believe n'ụwa reality ịghọta and all reality ka nji wee conquer so many people today mụ na ha na-abụ na-agba war because my truth na-abụ with fact. Now anyị chabụ ndị Igbo o nwere ihe Senator Owerri Rochas Okorcha na-azọ kịta ọ bụ na anyị na-ekwu ya ka a tụọrịa vote o nwere ọchịchị ọ na-azọ kịta anyị nọgidekwa ụta anyị tie ịtọ n'ihe gbasara anyị otu a m kwuru ya kịta ọ bụrụ na m ekwuteghị ya gị anyị akpa ya ka nkata ọ bụrụ ịbawa mba kpọba iyi ịghọtago kịta mụnwa mbụ Ezeaku chọrọ ikwu ya mme nji isi na Owerri bụ the best governor so far ndị Igbo nwego so nkwụsị ya ọ bụrụ na o nwere gọvanọs ya eji counter ihe nkwulu then you present it nwere ka ime the video send alum I will post it. So anyị nọkatakwa anyị atụgharịta uche n'ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị chabụ nwanne anyị kparịta nkata ịghọtago ihe aba anyị na-akpa ya ka nkata nwere ihe Rochas na-azọ kịta ọ bụrụ na na-emeri ya campaign ịghọtago. So ihe nji ikwu ihe a bụ na I believe na the best investment mmadụ ga-eme n'ụwa bụ human investment, humanity investment mere na ndụ mmadụ, empowering investment. Kem ji wee kpọọ ya empowering investment. Rochas Okorcha invested in the life of millions of youth in Imo State, recorded. Kedebe ya Owerri Rochas Okorcha nyelu free education from nursery school to university for 8 good years in Imo State. Umunem Owobeli. From nursery to university, enwe onye kwụrụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ for 8 good years Ochisari to as a governor. So many families see through Ochichi Rochas Okorcha go secondary school, go university free of charge. Emi Hobo, he go law under Rochas Okorcha, bro lawyer today, Olowawo. He go medicine under his regime, bro medical doctor today, Olowawo. He may mass communication, he may business admin. He invested in the life of the youth. Bupulu parents he borrowed to was a hangwa, Jenny Barrow Munuru. A lot of people jimaga free education at bad school. Now trouble where Barrow Muhuro to father need my that practicing law, practicing medicine. What do so sonka? Kedi ha governor Gimelo na state gi kanka. Kedi governor Megoria na Igbo. Alo ka ina topu no nwegonye mero na agwa mo mu amawa. Enwego governor nyere from nursery to university. Free school. Mgbe Rochas Okorcha na Imo State, ibata Imo State, Imo State bụ ọ na-adịka that is ebe niile na-adị lively. Irutere na control, ana m ebute afia na main market then. One of my customers na-akpọ pastor. Nere pass 911 and the Justin with late Mazi, nwe woman na-akpọ Mazi nwụrụ na new market then. Rutere na control tinye isi Onitsha rutere na control take a left go batawa na Douglas my brother. From Douglas ahụ niile ka warehouse dị. From that warehouse niile akpọrọ ka ya na-akpọla water fountain. Left and right that uchu ihe dị chief na ugwu mmiri a na-agba left and right. And Rochas Okorcha with a new idea, new modern idea of building a structure. Structure of Rochas Okorcha, one of structure Gadeke and Igbo Nene, on a new pattern. That is 40 years ahead. Now, the need the dualization of road in Owerri. And when I begin with the wideness of dualization of road, do you know where? Under Rochas, anywhere in Igbo. And when I begin with the dualization of road, wideness here today, in any state, na Igbo, go well, under Rochas. Ibata no well, when Rochas in Imo State, but when I did Enugu in the time of Sullivan. Magambe Sullivan na Enugu, Ibata Enugu Bori. Ebeni na nesi ndonto. Rochas in Imo State, Ibata. Imo State nesi ndonto. Let's all just say the truth. So, I got my own opinion here, Menji. Because so, because Equanamo can see where from came. Ngwa that in so many call health facilities. Yet I go raw a lot of health facilities in so many communities. Then we put with the CT scan, MRI for free. Rochas Okorcha na chi no less than 250 something people. Bungalow free. Again, I've not a commission on the Rochas Okorcha. Under her NGO. On our role with those soon, at least every two months, and a mepon more than 250 or 270 houses. So, when Governor Keta, Rokale Rochas Oro, na Igbo, so far, Bonya Hafa, boy home. I don't think, then when you governor, any governor will go na Igbo, Kale investing in human being by giving human being hope. Family and where hope, PJ University. Rochas Okorcha, and hope, go primary, go secondary, go nursery, go university free for 8 years. That is what we are preaching. Humanity first. Humanity. So, when the government compare na Igbo, Kaibaya Kankata.